Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXPesa. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. EGM Securities, also trading as FXPesa, is a proud member of the Global Equity Group in Eastern Africa, and it is also Kenya's first NDD forex broker, or no dealing desk forex broker, that is licensed and regulated by the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya. FXPesa and EGM Securities are part of a global group of companies that are among the most progressive forex and CFD providers in the industry, and they have offices around the world. Both FXPesa and EGM Securities offer two types of accounts that can be connected to the MetaTrader platforms, and FXPesa also offers a proprietary mobile trading application and web trader. As their client, you will be able to trade a wide variety of shares, indices, and commodities, and they currently offer a total of 62 currency pairs. If you are considering trading for the very first time, then we would recommend opening an account with FXPesa because you will be able to use their Learning Academy, and you can start trading with FXPesa for only $5. FXPesa offers a user-friendly website with sophisticated designs that are easy to navigate. You can use the menu bar to conveniently find any information you seek regarding their accounts, platforms, trading conditions, instruments, the company history, and regulations. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with FXPesa, either click on the Products tab on the menu bar and choose an instrument from the drop-down list to view its spreads and specifications. The FXPesa Premier account offers a bonus of up to 30% cash when funding your account with at least $100. FXPesa and EGM Securities both offer two account types, and they give their clients the option to open demo accounts or convert their accounts to swap-free accounts. FXPesa offers a low-entry executive account and Premier accounts with ultra-tight spreads starting at 0 pips. The FXPesa and EGM Securities executive accounts both have an incredibly low minimum deposit requirement. With EGM Securities, you can start trading with $15, but with FXPesa, you can start trading with as little as $5, which is why we recommend FXPesa for beginners. Another notable difference is the platforms that you can use when trading with them. FXPesa is a MetaTrader-friendly broker, and you can use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. However, FXPesa offers an intuitive proprietary mobile trading and web application as well. The EGM Securities executive account does not charge a commission, but the FXPesa executive and Premier accounts and the EGM Securities Premier account all charge small commission fees on trades. Premier accounts share all the same features as the executive accounts, except that they have a minimum deposit requirement of $100 and the lowest spreads that you can get. You will find detailed information about their spreads and rollover fees over on their website. By opening an account with either EGM Securities or FXPesa, you will be able to trade on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies with expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, 21 timeframes, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. Alternatively, FXPesa offers a mobile application for clients who trade on the go, as well as their very own web trader, known as FXPesa Trader. FXPesa Mobile is designed to make account management straightforward and hassle-free, and is a powerful, secure mobile trading application, buffered with all the tools you need to make sure you never miss another trading opportunity. With this application, you can conveniently trade directly from your phone, set up trading alerts and signals, use multiple order types, and much more. Opening an account with FXPesa is simple and easy. Firstly, launch the FXPesa homepage, and then either click on Open Live Account or Real Account at the top right of the screen. Or if you would like to open a demo account, simply click on Demo Account. Complete the online application form, and then use your mobile number to enter the one-time PIN to continue. After you have verified your account with your one-time PIN, you will need to verify your email address, and once your account has been verified and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account has been verified and set up, you will be redirected to the FXPesa client dashboard. Here you can view reports, analysis, and choose a platform. After your account has been verified and set up, you will want to choose and download your preferred trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform. We decided to go with the FXPesa web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the FXPesa web trader. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. You can easily switch between a variety of tradable market instruments on the top left of the dashboard, and on the right side of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and would like to learn more about the platforms, FXPesa's educational area provides a wide variety of tutorial videos to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, if you are new to trading, we recommend opening an account with FXPesa. The minimum deposit requirement is incredibly low when trading with FXPesa, and you will have access to the FXPesa Academy. The FXPesa Academy offers free online webinars, a variety of trading courses, an in-depth trading glossary, and guides on trading strategies. You will be able to practice on a risk-free demo account when opening an account with either EGM Securities or FXPesa. Overall, FXPesa and EGM Securities are opening the CFD and Forex markets for all traders in East Africa. These are fully licensed and regulated brokers that are compliant, transparent, and secure. Whether you're a beginner who is considering trading for the first time, or if you are a professional trader seeking ultra-tight spreads and a competitive edge, these brokers offer everything you need to trade with confidence and build the portfolio that grows your investments. If you are interested, be sure to open your account with FXPesa today to claim your welcome bonus. And that is our overview of FXPesa. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.